Bay leaves are more than just a spice. They have a rich history. People have used them for centuries. They add flavor to food. Bay leaves come from the bay laurel tree. This tree grows in the Mediterranean. The leaves are fragrant. They have a slightly bitter taste. Bay leaves are used in cooking. They are added to soups and stews. They can also be used to flavor meat and vegetables. The bay leaf has a scientific name. It is called Laurus nobilis, a name that signifies its noble and esteemed history. This name reflects its noble history, deeply rooted in ancient cultures. Bay leaves were a symbol of victory and triumph. In ancient Greece, they crowned victors with bay leaves, celebrating their achievements. This was a great honor, reserved for the most accomplished individuals. It symbolized achievement and status, a mark of distinction. The leaves were believed to have magical powers, often used in rituals and ceremonies. The Romans also used bay leaves extensively. They associated them with Apollo, the god of many arts. He was the god of music, poetry, and healing, embodying the virtues of the bay leaf. Bay leaves were seen as a symbol of purification, used to cleanse and protect. Bay leaves have many health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants. These protect the body. They fight against cell damage. Bay leaves also have anti-inflammatory properties. They can help reduce swelling. This can ease pain in the body. They can also support digestion. Bay leaves may help regulate blood sugar. Some studies suggest this benefit. They may help improve insulin sensitivity. More research is needed in this area. Section 4. Practical uses of bay leaves. Bay leaves are a versatile herb that can be used in various ways to enhance your daily life. You can use bay leaves in many ways. They are not just for cooking. Their uses extend beyond the kitchen. One way is to make bay leaf tea. This tea is known for its calming properties and can be a great addition to your evening routine. Simply steep a few leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the flavor. This makes a soothing drink that can help you relax and unwind after a long day. Another way is to use bay leaf steam. This method is particularly useful during cold and flu season. Boil water with a few bay leaves until the water is steaming. Then, carefully inhale the steam by leaning over the bowl and covering your head with a towel. This can help clear congestion and soothe your respiratory system. You can also make bay leaf oil. This oil can be used for various therapeutic purposes. Infuse bay leaves in a carrier oil like olive or coconut oil for several weeks. This oil can be used topically to nourish the skin and provide relief from dryness. It may help with muscle pain and inflammation, making it a great addition to your natural remedy toolkit. Section 5. Fun facts and folklore about bay leaves. Bay leaves, often overlooked in the kitchen, have a rich tapestry of history and folklore that spans centuries and cultures. Bay leaves have a long and interesting history, dating back to ancient civilizations where they were revered for their mystical properties. They were used in ancient times, not just for culinary purposes, but also in various rituals and ceremonies. People believed they could ward off evil spirits and negative energies, making them a staple in protective amulets and charms. They were also used for protection in homes and sacred spaces, often incorporated into rituals to safeguard against harm. In some cultures, bay leaves are believed to bring good luck and are placed in doorways or windows to invite positive energy. People place them in their homes, hoping to create a protective barrier and attract good fortune. They hope to attract prosperity and fortune, often pairing bay leaves with coins and other charms for added effect. Bay leaves were also used for divination, with people seeking guidance and insight through their mystical properties. People would write wishes or intentions on the leaves, believing that the bay leaf could carry their desires to the spiritual realm. Then they would burn them in a ceremonial fire, a practice thought to release the wishes into the universe. The smoke carried their wishes to the heavens, acting as a bridge between the earthly and the divine, ensuring their hopes were heard. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace natural wellness. Bay leaves are a versatile herb. They have many health benefits. You can use them in cooking, teas, and aromatherapy. They are a natural way to enhance your well-being. If you have health concerns, talk to a doctor. They can give you personalized advice. Embrace the power of natural remedies. Enjoy the many benefits of bay leaves.